Welcome back to the Mortgage Reports. Today, we're talking about one of the most practical and popular ways homeowners use a reverse mortgage: making home improvements and aging in place modifications. As we all get older, the home we've lived in for years doesn't always stay perfectly suited to our needs. Maybe you want to update an outdated kitchen, make your bathroom safer, widen doorways, replace aging systems like HVAC or roofing, or just make the home more comfortable and accessible for the long haul. But renovations can be expensive, and that's where a reverse mortgage can come in. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how a reverse mortgage can help fund home improvements, what types of upgrades people typically choose, why it's becoming such a popular and powerful aging in place tool, and even share a few real-life examples so you can see how this works in everyday situations. So question 1, can you really use a reverse mortgage to pay for home improvements? Yes, absolutely. One of the biggest benefits of a reverse mortgage is the flexibility and how you can use the funds. That includes repairs, upgrades, and accessibility modifications. Whether it's a $5,000 project or a $50,000 one, homeowners 62 and older can use their home equity to update the property without taking on new monthly payments. For many seniors, this is one of the safest and smartest ways to keep their home in good shape. Now, a well-maintained, updated home holds its value better, functions better, and is simply easier to live in as you age. Question 2, what kinds of home improvements can a reverse mortgage pay for? Now, the answer is pretty much anything that improves the home's safety, accessibility, comfort, or function. Some of the most common projects include bathroom remodels, so like walk-in showers, grab bars, non-slip floors. Kitchen updates, new appliances, better lighting, safer layouts. Accessibility upgrades, ramps, widened doorways, stair lifts. And safety modifications, improved lighting, handrails, better flooring. Now, major repairs like roofing, plumbing, HVAC, electrical are also included. Energy efficiency improvements, windows, insulation, solar additions. These aren't just nice to haves. For many retirees, these updates make the difference between staying in their home comfortably or facing expensive alternatives. Question 3. How does using a reverse mortgage for home updates actually work? Well, homeowners usually choose between a lump sum, which allows you to pay contractors or vendors upfront for large renovations, or a line of credit, which lets you draw funds gradually as projects progress. The biggest advantage? You get the improvements you need without adding a monthly payment, which is a huge relief for homeowners living on fixed income. And because the funds are backed by your home equity, you're essentially reinvesting in an asset you already own, making your home safer, stronger, and more functional for the future. Question 4. What are the pros and cons of using a reverse mortgage for home improvements? Well, here are the benefits. No monthly payment required. It allows you to make safety and accessibility upgrades now, not someday. And it helps you stay in your home longer, helps maintain or even increase your home's value, and provides flexibility in how and when you use the funds. Now, for the drawbacks, it reduces the home equity available to heirs. Interest accrues on the borrowed amount. You must keep up with the property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. And it's not ideal if you're planning to move within a few years. Now, for many homeowners, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks because these improvements often support long-term independence and safety. Question 5. What does this look like in real life? Okay, first example. Sandra, age 74, wanted to stay in her home but struggled with a small outdated bathroom. Using her reverse mortgage funds, she installed a walk-in shower, grab bars, a raised toilet, and better lighting. Not only did it make her home safer, it gave her far more confidence living alone. Example 2. Tom and Rachel used a reverse mortgage line of credit to handle a roof replacement, new HVAC system, and a ramp leading to the front door. The updates made the home more comfortable, energy efficient, and fully accessible, all without adding a single monthly payment. These examples show how meaningful, life-changing, and practical these upgrades can be, especially when done proactively. Question 6. What's the bottom line? Is using a reverse mortgage for home improvements a good idea? Well, the bottom line is if your goal is to stay in your home as long as possible, a reverse mortgage can be a powerful tool to make that happen. Using your home's equity to make your home safer, more accessible, and better maintained can help you avoid future mobility problems, reduce fall risks, and prevent the need for more expensive housing options down the road. When used strategically, it's not just a renovation tool, it's an aging in place strategy. So keeping your home safe, functional, and comfortable as you age is one of the most important investments you can make. And today we covered how a reverse mortgage can help you do exactly that. You learned that you can use a reverse mortgage funds to improve your home, what kinds of updates are most common, how the process works, and why it's such a helpful tool for aging in place. So just to recap, reverse mortgages can fund both repairs and major upgrades. You can take the money up front or as a line of credit. The goal is to keep you in your home safely and comfortably without adding monthly payments. And when used wisely, these updates can improve your quality of life for years to come. If this video helped you understand how a reverse mortgage can support aging in place, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Mortgage Reports, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss future videos that break down big housing topics in simple, real-world language. And for a deeper dive with even more examples and guidance, be sure to check out the full article in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.